Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Messenger is updated and you have the chat ready. This avoids missing UI changes. Once done, open the conversation and tap the chat name or info icon at the top. This reveals theme and color settings. If your goal is a camera filter instead, tap the camera icon inside the chat to launch camera mode. Make sure camera permission is enabled so filters and effects load properly before you continue. Now, choose whether you need a chat color or an in-camera filter. For chat color, tap color or theme and scroll the palette. Selecting a color immediately previews in the chat. This changes name bubbles and accents. For camera filters, tap effects or swipe through live previews and try multiple filters to compare lighting and tones. Once you see a look you like, tap apply or send to lock in the filter. If you change your mind, you can always cancel or pick a different option. To finish, tap done or save when changing a chat color so the update applies to both you and the other participant. If you adjusted a camera filter, send a quick photo to confirm the effect in conversation. If changes don't appear, make sure both parties are on updated clients. Then restart the app, toggle camera permissions, or clear the app cache on Android. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Messenger. This resolves most stuck UI settings and refreshes available filters and themes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.